driver here. Welcome to Jim McLaughlin's Antique Car Show and Family Fun Day. We're having a ball down here in McLaughlin. I can't believe how many people are here.
Saturday, July 21st marks the day of the first annual Old Car Show and Family Day at Mclaughlin's Car and Truck Repair Center of Lynn, Massachusetts. The Mclaughlin Old Car Show and Family Day is an awesome event for local families to enjoy themselves during the beautiful summer season. This event is held at Mclaughlin's on the Lynn Way and boasts loads of activities such as balloon animals, face painting, raffles, a moon bounce, and even a petting zoo. For only a $2 entrance fee, anyone can enjoy this event. Proceeds from the event go to benefiting cancer research and wounded military veterans. If you are in search of an inexpensive way to enjoy some family fun in the sun, the Mclaughlin Old Car Show and Family Day is the place to be.
You missed out! Ha ha! Stay home and be bored, you jerk!